In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tickets on Canva in an easy way. If you're planning an event and want to create beautiful, customized tickets, Canva is an excellent tool to get the job done quickly and effectively. We'll walk through the process together, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to craft the perfect ticket design in just a few clicks. Let's start by opening Canva in your web browser. Once you've logged in, you'll be at the homepage, which serves as a jumping off point for all sorts of creative projects. First, we need to find a suitable ticket template that we can customize. In the search bar at the top of the page, type tickets and hit enter. This will pull up a wide range of pre-made templates specifically designed for events like concerts, movies, and more. Once the search results appear, scroll through the selection and browse the different styles and layouts. Canva offers a wide variety of designs to fit different themes and occasions, so take your time to find a template that resonates with your event's vibe. When you find one that fits your vision, click on it to open a larger preview. This lets you get a better look at the details before you commit. Now that you've chosen the right template, the next step is to customize it to make it truly your own. Click on the Customize this template button. This is where the magic happens and you can start personalizing the design to match your event details. Once you're in the editing screen, you can modify various elements of the ticket. Begin by editing the text. Click on any text box to make it editable. You can change the event name, date, time, location, and any other information pertinent to your event. Be sure to double check the spelling and ensure all details are accurate. Beyond text, Canva allows you to adjust colors, fonts, and other design elements to better fit your brand or event theme. Want to incorporate your organization's logo? Simply upload the image file and drag it into your design. Play around with different elements until the ticket reflects your desired look. Finally, once you're satisfied with your ticket design, it's time to download it. Navigate to the top right of the screen and click Share or Download. Choose your preferred file type. PDF is usually best for printing, and save it to your computer. And there you have it. With Canva, crafting personalized and professional looking tickets is both simple and efficient. Stick around for more design tips and tricks, and don't hesitate to explore additional features on Canva to enhance your creative projects. Happy designing!